Let's run child support guidelines. Today, we are going to be running child support guidelines for a Montgomery County family, Debbie and Brian, who are the co-parents of Olivia, who's 7, and Noah, who's 10. Now, we're going to be running these guidelines on the shared guidelines. We're doing that because both parties have at least 92 overnights, and that means we're on the shared access schedule. So we got that in there. Next, we're going to include the information for income as well as expenses. Now, Debbie is a teacher. She earns $4,500 and she works full time. Brian is a contractor. He's self-employed and he earns $7,500 gross a month. Brian pays Debbie $500 a month. So that takes out $500 of income from Brian's column and add $500 of income to Debbie's column. We're going to skip overnights for now and move forward to health insurance payments. So Brian pays $300 for health, dental, and vision insurance for the children. There are no child care costs, but there are private tuitions costs for the kids, and Debbie pays that. So their cost annually is $12,000, which means when we put it in here, it's $12,000 yearly. It comes out to $1,000 monthly. Now, this is the minimum child support Brian would have to pay if he only had 92 overnights. But Brian doesn't have 92 overnights. Brian has 120 overnights, which means his child support for the children would be $1,349 a month. That might seem like a lot, but when you look at it, the gross income, Brian's actual adjusted gross income is 58.3%. He only has the children 32.9% of the time, and Debbie is absorbing all of the costs for the private school. If Debbie didn't have the private school costs, his child support would go down to $766. So it's important to run guidelines when trying to figure out how to move forward with your family and to understand who is responsible for what expenses. If you have any questions about these guidelines or any other family law related issues, please let me know.